What is organizational culture? Organizational culture is the shared set of values, norms, and assumptions among the people of an organization. Every organization has a unique culture that connects people and guides their behavior. Culture also impacts the organization's ability to respond to the external environment. Effective managers understand how this force influences the success and sustainability of their organizations, and they attempt to shape it. If the organization is new, they may help create the culture by influencing its values, goals, and assumptions. If the culture is already in existence, they may help maintain it through employee recruitment, selection, and development. Edgar Schein's model is one of the most widely referenced models of organizational culture. It suggests culture has 3 levels: artifacts, values, and assumptions. Artifacts are things that are easily seen and heard, such as the dress code and work schedule. These are the things new employees learn quickly just by observing others and asking basic questions. Values are partially hidden beliefs about what is important to the organization and how people should behave. An organization might value cooperation and innovation. Assumptions are hidden beliefs about what is actually important and expected. These beliefs are sometimes hard to identify because they aren't talked about explicitly. People in your organization might assume leaders are made, and as a result, sponsor development programs for aspiring leaders. These 3 levels are not always aligned. At times, an organization's values may say one thing, while its assumptions say another thing. Imagine an organization that values cooperation, but assumes competition is the best way to get the job done, and rewards people based on their individual contributions. In this organization, the levels are not aligned, and the culture sends mixed signals. Alignment of these levels, on the other hand, creates consistency and sends clear messages about what the organization expects of its employees. To apply this model, identify inconsistencies across levels of your organization's culture and address them quickly and permanently. One of the key takeaways from the research on organizational cultures is that it impacts work behavior and overall performance. The other key takeaway is that managers can shape their organization's cultures. This means learning how to create a high-performing, inclusive culture can help you succeed in today's business climate.